Hello guys, how are you today? Today we are going to show you how to update or restore your iPhone or iPad using iTunes. First, you need to download the appropriate iOS file from the website. You can use ipsw.me, choose your device and download the latest iOS file. Install iTunes on your device, connect your phone. In this menu, hold the Shift key on your keyboard and press Restore or Update. Then choose the file you have already downloaded and wait for the extraction and restore to complete. If your device isn't on the menu or it's software break, you should connect your device to the computer and enter the device in recovery mode. For devices after iPhone 7, you should enter recovery mode by holding volume down and power. After you enter to the recovery mode, the iTunes show you this menu. You have to just update or restore the device, no more information. Again, hold Shift key on the keyboard, press restore and restore or update your device. Thank you for watching our video.